So I'm having a conversation with Edith and a few of the other girls because I'm trying to make an effort to get to know some more people. And she gets really intense. And I can just see her face isn't friendly. She got a strong resting bitch face. I'm sorry. The only reason I bring this up is because now I've spoken to her a bit more, and I know you don't mean ill ever. But your face and your eyes and your tone sometimes are misinterpreted.
Honestly, like, your argument has no basis. And
not an argument, Edith. I'm letting you know something.
Listen to the context that I'm talking in, that your statement that
Edith,
you're
the friendly
making
faces, yeah,
has no basis.
She's not listening to me. She's not hearing what I'm saying. And then she's accusing me of not hearing what she's saying. I'm like, oh, this is going nowhere. Let me just wrap this up. She's not getting my point. I do not like conflicts and I don't like unnecessary fighting, but I know you wouldn't like anybody to misinterpret your intent.
It hasn't even been literally a day since I've been back from my date, and already the cattiness is coming out. You're literally now trying to bring drama, and you're trying to make me look like I'm something that I'm not. No, and I don't appreciate that.
This is girls here to meet a man, and tensions are high.
You're trying to be spicy where there's no spice.
I'm not trying to hurt your feelings.
Because I'm a strong person, I am smart, I am beautiful, I naturally become an intimidation or a threat to other women.
Strong personality is a good thing until you can't mold and shape shift to suit the situation.
I'm done with this conversation.